Hello, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. And if you wanna upload a resume to your LinkedIn account, we just have to do the following steps. Okay, in your profile here, when it says me, we have to go to the settings and privacy section. Once we are here, data privacy, okay, in the fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 option, data privacy. And we have to find job seeking preferences section, and here job application settings. We just click on the first, and here is resume and application data. Save resumes and application data. I switch on, and share resume data with recruiters. I have also on, although you cannot see, but I have switched on. And here it says you can upload a resume up to 5 megabytes and doc, or PDF. In my case, I will upload in PDF. I hit upload, and then I have to find my latest resume, that is this one. So I click, and it's already uploaded. So it's done. As simple as that. I hope you like the video. Smash the like button, subscribe, comment, anything, and see you in the next video. Bye.